Being vegan, I do not wear any fabrics or materials that come from an animal. So I don't wear leather, fur, silk, down, or wool. Anything that can contribute to animal suffering in that way, I don't have it on my body. And I had this 15 minutes where I thought, okay, what are you going to wear? And I realized there are a lot of other things to wear besides those fabrics. I went out and did a little experimenting, and I decided to make this an adventure rather than something that felt scary and overwhelming and discouraging. To be honest with you, I've never looked back. And if you look at what I'm wearing right now, this jacket and pants, these both came from Nick and Zoe. The pants are jeans. They're made from cotton and a little spandex to make them comfortable. My shoes are not made of leather, they're actually a fabric, and the rest of them is just man-made. Let's talk so we can create a wardrobe and personal style that you love. Come on, let's go. When you're shopping and you're shopping for vegan items, it's very important to read the tags. So for instance, this one here is made from 100% rayon. Now rayon is a manufactured material from natural sources like wood pulp. So here's another one. This one is made out of linen and viscose, and viscose is another form of rayon, basically. This one here, it's made out of polyester and rayon. And this one here is cotton, acrylic, viscose, and polyester, mostly cotton, but those other things mixed in there as well. None of these have any animal ingredients in them at all, so they're all very vegan friendly.